Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Been kind of busy. Haven't had a chance to excel a little further with this project here. But I did do a couple things that I felt I'll share. Welded on these two 3/4 inch by whatever the same height is on here to this metal pipe. And we'll get into a little discussion on why I did that. You can see I have good tolerances on that section there. And you can see that it's got a really nice tolerance. Real nice and tight. So I'm bouncing them out so they're real tight. And I guess I could grab. Well, the reason is when you take these magnets and you hold up a piece of metal near it, it pulls the metal to the magnet. I mean, you can't even hold it. So when you're turning it, it's showing me, especially with the tolerance you got here, is you're having a lot of pressure, magnetic pressure that's going in this pipe now. And we'll talk about Ed Leedskalnin and what I believe that he did with the pipe and how the wheel affects the pipe. And the pipe is a good grounding pipe. It's in the ground at a good distance, I think about 4 feet down. And you got these magnets are all north and south going by it with pretty pretty intense power. Get a coil going on the inside there, and we'll work on what Ed has in his book of magnetic current. He talks about having a coil with a iron core with a iron casing around it where the top end is connected to the center. So what it creates is two south and two north in the whole pipe here. So the whole pipe will now have a 4-pole situation going on. And we'll get into some more discussions. Leave your comments on there. Going Ed Leedskalnin, celebrating my birthday with one of my best friends. Let's see what he's got going here. He's an artist. He's working on his masterpiece right now. You want to say hi?
No.
All right.
It's not a masterpiece. It's a do-over.
It's a do-over. So he's working on a do-over. He's got some great talents. He's here visiting. Here you got Ed Leedskalnin's PMH. This is stuck to that. And over here, I'll be with you in a minute, dear. Over here, something I want to show you. Got a nice little sparkadoos going, okay? Got this here. Look how it reacts to my finger. Okay. My body is causing that thing to turn. And I can also do this. So right now we're going to just come near it without even touching it. It will just start to go. Over here I got a linden jar. Oh, yeah. Celebrate my birthday in my workshop with one of my good friends and my toys. So here we're going to go ahead and charge this up a little bit. And I'm going to bring it over here down the bottom. You can see the sparks go across. Nothing up top, I can touch it. Come back over here again. And we're going to charge this Linden jar and we'll come to the top. You can see it's got a good charge there. Now we're going to come back over here. You can see a little spark that transferred. So one of these compartments, you got a wine bottle with salt water in it, my own custom brine, and you got the outside of the wine bottle, you got more brine with oil on top. So we charge both sides, and that's what caused that, because basically it still has a charge on it. Oh, it still has a charge on it. Pretty interesting, just how that charges that up. That's stored electricity. I can put it into the salt water, and you can see how if I put it on one end, it wouldn't do it, but you have to charge both sides. You got this guy running here. It won't run the opposite way, so that's important. You can see it'll go the other way only. It won't run. You can turn it and it'll keep running that way. Alrighty, guys. Happy April 24th. Leedskalnin. Let's show you one more thing here. Big, beautiful PMH. Look at this copper with aluminum core PVC. Did you guys know that copper has a different magnetic, I would say, effect? I don't know, I can't say properties than aluminum, has more than aluminum, but it has an effect more than aluminum in magnetic. Um, from some experiments that I worked on with the PMH, if you make these coils here, if you make these sections here to hold the wire out of aluminum, you'll have less magnetic pull on your PMH than you would if you used iron. FYI, leave your comments. Peace out.